are you? I hope you are all fine. Vastusastra has great importance in Hinduism. Vastu is taken care of from building to the house to decorating it. Following Vastu is important for almost every corner of the house, from the bedroom to the kitchen. Along with these, which plants should be kept inside the house has also been suggested in the Vastusastra. One such plant is the Morpankhi plant. Do you know, it is said that this plant brings happiness and prosperity to the house? So in today's video, let me tell you about how you can take care of your Morpankhi plant and how you can grow new plants from your old Morpankhi plants. It is also known as Oriental Thuja or Jhao. This plant can reach up to 61 meters and it blooms in November to December period. Don't worry, it is very easy to grow. Right now I will tell you basic planting care. Water the plant when the soil feels right to touch. Water thoroughly in the summer and reduce watering for the winter and rainy season. Try to water in the morning. Make sure to remove all the dead, infected and damaged plant parts. And lastly, if your plant has any insect attack or diseases, make sure to use neem oil or bioenzyme. Look at our Morpankhi plant. It is filled with so many flowers. In these flowers, you will be able to find a sweet fragrance. Look at this. The flowers have turned into seeds. When these seeds will be mature, make sure to collect it and dry it. Best season to grow from seeds is the rainy season. But my mom tried to grow some plants from seeds in winter. As winter is a dormancy period for this plant, it is quite hard to grow this plant in winter season. And also Delhi's harsh climates makes it even difficult. If you shake the plant lightly, you will be able to see so many seeds fall into the ground. And from here only my mom has taken some seeds and now she will grow them. And for the soil requirements, make sure that your plant has some sandy, loamy soil. Here my mom used garden soil and some coco peat and some kitchen waste compost. After collecting these seeds, you can soak them overnight, but my mom didn't soak them. She took it directly from the plants and now is going to sow them. After sowing like this, make sure to give another layer of soil. Then make sure to water your new grown plant. After 1 month, you will be able to notice that your seeds will grow into a new plant. But you will get the best results when you collect the seeds and store them and sow them in the monsoon season. In monsoon, you will get results in about 15 days only. And if these seeds fall into other plants' soil, the plant will grow by itself only. Look at these. Growing plants from seeds is a very time-taking process. The better process is to propagate it from cuttings. So first of all, my mom selected a strong branch and now is removing all the seeds. Then my mom dipped it in water. Also in the cutting side, you can put some aloe vera gel or honey. This will help your plant to get roots faster. After the roots have developed, you can put it in the soil. But till then, if the root is not coming, make sure to change the water weekly. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.